guys, today I'm back with a new video for you guys. Listen, I know it's been a while. But yeah, right now can't really see because I don't have my contacts in nor my glasses, and I was reached out to by this brand called firmoo, who is a glasses company. They have glasses for really cheap, and they reached out to me and they look like this. They're just black with gold detailing and I'm in love with them. Listen, these are pretty fire. They're really good quality, and yeah, like, look at these, incredible. So they came in this red case and in this little like dust bag. They come with extra, like, not compartments, but like in case they break, they have like little tools and extra like nose pads that go right here. And they also come with a cleaning cloth so you can clean your glasses, and that's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks to firmoo for reaching out to me and wanting to work with me. So I will be doing a makeup look with these glasses, and yeah. Did it start? I don't even know if it started. So I'm sitting here editing this and I'm kind of mad about the mosquitoes because I don't know, but it was mainly my fault because I could hear them and I thought that the camera wouldn't hear them, and I also really wanted the film, so yeah. I already did my eyebrows and now I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows with some Tarte Shape Tape. It's in the color medium tan, and I'm gonna use this little flat brush and just clean up my eyebrows. So like you just saw, I just concealed my eyelids and we have a smooth base, and I'm not gonna set it, so the eyeshadows we put on top are really pigmented. So the only palette I'm gonna use is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I use all the time. It's like the only palette I have, to be honest. We're gonna go for a sunset kind of look today. So I'm gonna be taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, this color in the shade Creamsicle, and I'm gonna be using a flat brush like this and gonna pack it all over our lid. The next color we're going to take is this red color, reddish orangish color. It's called Hunts, and we're going to be taking a fluffy brush. A small detailer brush will work, and we're just going to stamp that on the crease right above the yellow. And now taking a clean blending brush like this. This is the Morphe M433. We're just going to blend the outer edges of that reddish color we just placed. Now I'm going to take that same yellow shade and a little small fluffy brush. This is from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to blend the yellow and that red color together, create a little gradient. The next shade I'm going to be taking is this orangey-ish color. It's called Butter. And I will be using a M441 from Morphe. And I'm going to just place that above the red as like a little transition. Fun. Taking a Q-tip and some makeup remover, I'm going to be sharpening up the outer corner of the eyeshadow because I'm going to be doing a wing. This is kind of cute. Oh my god. Not that I can see, but I'm going to be taking this Kat Von D tattoo liner.
One eternity later.
So, like about 30 minutes later, I went from a small little wing to this. It's cool though, we can make it work. The lashes I'm going to be using are from Lorella London. They look like that. They look like that. For primer, I'm going to be using this primer. If you know, you know. And if you don't, then get your head in the game. I'm just going to put that all over my face. So a trick I have is to use eyeshadow primer on where your glasses sit, you know, so it doesn't pick up your concealer or your foundation. And this is just the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. Apply it right here where my glasses sit, right here. Sometimes I put some where, like over here. For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing these two. The Maybelline one and the Wet n Wild one. This one's in 310 and this one's in Cocoa. For concealer, I will be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. So I'm looking a little light on the concealer, so I'm going to be mixing the Maybelline Fit Me in 30 Honey just a little bit to even things out. And now I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and a little fluffy brush. Using my sponge, I'm going to be baking where I had placed that eyeshadow primer. Now we're going to wipe off this bake. To bronze, I'm going to be using the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. It looks like that. I sound so monotone. Wow. For blush, I'm going to be using this Colourpop Between the Sheets blush. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Colourpop highlighter in the shade Wisp. I'm going to highlight with that same Colourpop highlighter. I'm going to take this color called Butter all over my lash line. I'm going to be taking a flat brush and this red color called Hunts and place it on my lash line. I'm taking that yellow color again in my inner tear duct. To set my eyebrows, I'm going to use the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. I'm going to line my lips with NYX Coffee lip liner. To fill it in, I'm going to use Colourpop's Buffy. It's just a brown nude. So that's the look that we came up with today. Now time for the glasses. So yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Shout out to firmoo for making this video possible, and these frames look amazing.